Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So happy BOXYCHARM Boxy Day. I will be doing a full unboxing of the March BOXYCHARM box in today's video. Before I get into that, I did want to congratulate the two winners from the giveaway last month, Rosanna and Karen. Fabulous. I'm so glad. As of today, actually, both of them have officially received their prizes and they are both thrilled, which is amazing. So if you want to see me get into this month's box, make sure to keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe because I do upload 3 times a week. That is the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. Also, there will be a giveaway in this month's video as well. I have 2 boxes, so naturally I will be giving one away to a lucky subscriber. All you have to do is like this video, comment down below with your favorite product from the box, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel and you will be entered to win. So I'm going to stop rambling and let's jump right into the box. So, first out of the box is going to be the theme card, La Vie en Rose, which I think is adorable. The first item out of the box, this is going to be from Wander Beauty. It is the Lift Off Purifying and Brightness Peel Off Mask, containing a blend of skin-loving acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, and green tea leaf extract. Purifies and replenishes dull skin, draws out excess oil and impurities with clay, and minimizes pores. That sounds awesome. This retails for $34. So I'm going to apply a little bit of this. I do love these kind of peel-off masks, but I find I tend to stick to more of like the charcoal masks. But that smells beautiful. So while I let this dry down, I'm going to go prep my eyes for eyeshadow and get myself situated, and I'll be right back. All right, so I just prepped the eyes and threw some neutral shadows in the crease. While I wait for the mask to finish drying, I'm going to dump into the next item in the box. So this comes from Appeal Cosmetics. It is a liquid eyeshadow. Highly pigmented liquid eyeshadow, exactly what your vanity is missing. Liquid formula adds multi-dimensional shimmer to your eyes that adds sparkle that looks almost unachievable. This retails for $21 and mine is in the shade Rose Gold. So I have not opened this yet. Oh, it's like a brush. So I was expecting more of a doe foot, but let's see. Definitely high shine. Definitely very pretty, I'll give you that. So I'm going to take a little bit of this on the lid. So it's really pretty, but it definitely feels a little gummy. So it's already dry. It definitely dried down very quickly. It's very pretty. It's very high shine. That's definitely something I think I would reach for again. I'm going to go quickly finish up the other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the first thing I will say is there's definitely a learning curve with this product. I treated it like a Stila glitter and I applied it and then patted it out to blend it, and it did not exactly work that way. So instead, what I would recommend with this is apply it first and then take your neutral shadows to blend around it and help to develop it a little bit. So the mask is just about ready to remove. So I'm going to go throw on some mascara and lashes. No lashes. I'm going to throw on some mascara and I'll be right back to peel off the mask. Beautiful. So mascara's on and I'm ready to peel off the mask. That actually came off really nicely. The skin does feel very smooth, very hydrated. There's definitely a couple places where this left some residual mask, so that's just an easy, quick cleanup. So I'm going to just clean this up a little bit, but all in all, I really think that this felt really nice. And I'm going to go throw on some foundation concealer and get to the point where I need the next item out of the box. All right, so the next item out of the box, this is from MODA Pro, which is a Royal & Langnickel brush derivative brand, and it is the powder, I can't speak. This is the Powder and Soft Glow Brush Duo. Oh, your new MODA 2-piece Powder and Soft Glow Duo is the ultimate dynamic duo. The 2 brushes are designed to give you your desired look. Elegant rose gold tapered brushes and 2-tone synthetic hair will make the perfect addition to your brush collection. So it is a very lightweight powder brush that I really don't like brushes like this. They're a little flimsy, but I'm going to try it for blush or highlight later. And then a very soft powder brush. So I did already put on my foundation, but I'm going to grab a little bit of a pressed powder. This is the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. And I'm just going to take a little bit of this picking up product, and I'm just going to set down my foundation. So this is definitely a nice fluffy little powder brush. I think that it really helps to add just a small amount of powder without it going overboard. I don't think I would use it for liquids, but as far as for like powders, I think I'm liking this so far. This duo retails for $29.99. And the next item out of the box, which is something that I was really excited for, this is the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. 6 must-have complexion essentials in 1 travel-friendly palette. Talc-free formula provides seamless blending and flawless application. Contour, blush, highlight, the works. So I have the light to medium palette, and this retails for $45. This is the inside. So I'm going to start... Oh, there's a finishing powder? Oh, okay, so I'm going to take some of that finishing powder first, and I'm just going to take that over the skin. Oh, that's really pretty. So that's giving like a really nice diffused light kind of approach. A little glowier than I normally go for, however, it's really pretty. See how it's just giving a nice subtle sheen to the skin? That powder is stunning. All right, so I am actually going to take this same brush for the contour shade. It's definitely sculpting the face nicely. I like that it has a nice cool undertone. Normally I like a brush that's a little smaller than this, but because of the tone of this powder, I think that this is gonna kind of work as a 2-in-1 for contour and bronzer today. There is definitely it's a very soft powder. And if you are not super gentle, you're gonna get a lot of like kick up in the pan. Not a huge deal, but just to be mindful of. I am going to, on the softer brush, I'm gonna take a little bit of the blush shade. So it's definitely very pigmented and it's definitely very pink, but it's pretty, so I'm not gonna complain. So that's a little more blush than I'll typically like, so I'm gonna take a little more of that finishing powder and just blend all of that in. That's really soft though, I am liking that. I'm gonna dip into my own highlighter brush, and I'm gonna take the more golden highlighter today. Just as soft of a formula as everything else. That's pretty. Definitely needs to be built up for you to get it to like super blinding, but it is quite pretty. Just because it wouldn't be me if I didn't take both, I'm gonna take some of the pinkier highlighter as well and just layer that up. Ooh, okay, so the pink one is definitely a little bit more blinding than the gold. Or maybe it's just not pressed as hard, but that is stunning. And then I'm gonna take the brightening shade, which is in the very center, and I'm actually gonna pop that right on the inner corner. So I am gonna take a little more of a dense brush with a little more of the contour and blush mixed together. And we're just gonna amp up the cheek a little bit more. Yeah, you see how that just kind of makes it a little bit more, I don't know how to describe it, but a little bit more deliberate. I think using the softer brush is pretty, but it kind of makes things a little bit too soft, and I want it to be a little more intentional. I'm gonna grab a tiny bit of the contour shade and just contour the nose. I'm gonna go throw on a quick brow, and I'll be right back to grab the last item from the box. So the last item out of the box, this is from OFRA Cosmetics. It is the long-lasting liquid lipstick. This is a $20 value, and mine is in the shade Monaco. I can't speak, I'm the worst. This is in the shade Monaco. It is, maybe it'll work. It's not really a shade I think I would normally put on with this kind of an eye, but I'll try it out. So I love this formula. I have a couple that we've gotten from other boxes, as well as a few shades that I've got on my own. And I will say that the OFRA lipstick formula is absolutely beautiful. It wears very nicely and it's nice and nourishing. However, I stand behind what I said. This is not the lip I would normally pair with this eye. However, for the sake of the video, I'm gonna switch it out. I'm gonna go change up the lip to something a little more fitting with this eye look, and I'll be right back to review my final thoughts. So this is actually the shade Havana Nights that we got in a box a couple months ago. This was the Kathleen Lights OFRA collaboration, and this is my favorite lip shade from OFRA ever. Formula is identical. It is a beautiful lip. However, the color is a little more fitting with this eye. So final thoughts. The palette is beautiful. Be very gentle when you dip into the pans because they are very soft and you will get some kick up. But the powders are beautiful. They look gorgeous on the skin. They are nice and glowy. I think this will be good even for like drier skin types. I think this will give you a nice glow. The eyeshadow, I think it looks really nice. I'm not creasing. Things are looking pretty good, and it's been about an hour since I started putting it on. I would like to play around with some other colors because I feel like this formula is really, really gummy. But once it dries down, you get that like sheet of metal effect on the eyes, which is beautiful. The brushes are hit and miss for me. This brush, I am going to be honest, I will never use it again. This is just not the type of brush I go for. This one, however, was super soft, and I felt like it blended everything really nicely. This is something I'll definitely be reaching for more and more. The mask, my skin feels great. My pores definitely do feel minimized. I think all in all, this is something I'll be using many times over. This was beautiful, and probably it's going to be a toss-up between the mask and the palette for my standout product of the month, but these are definitely the two front runners for me. And obviously the lipstick, not my shade and definitely not with this look, but the formula is amazing. So if you like more of a dusty metallic pink, you're going to love this. So all in all, this box retailed for $149.99. The fact that this subscription box only costs you $21 and you are getting $150 worth of product is absolutely amazing. I don't regret a single thing about this. So thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know once again down below what was your favorite product of the month. I will see you guys next time. Bye.